All right, in this bonus video, we're going to take a look at how computers can multiply matrices. We're going to use the Python NumPy library again, and because it is very, very fast at doing so. In fact, the matrices we looked at multiplying in this section are very, very quick and easy for a computer to do. And most real-world calculations and applications of matrix multiplication are done with very, very large matrices, like, maybe few dozen or a couple hundred rows and columns. So we tend to want a computer to be able to calculate those products very fast. So here are some of the matrices we looked at in this section on matrix multiplication. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to import NumPy as an alias NP, so I don't have to keep typing NumPy. I can just type NP. So we're good to go. It's set. Now I need to define the matrices in here. Again, remember the comma after the bracket indicates we want to put in a new row, just like we did before, but now we also have matrix C and D, which are 3 by 3. So we'll go ahead and get that all set up. So make sure that's good to go. Okay, we're good. So first up, matrix A times matrix B. It's going to calculate for that. That for us, we said was I hat goes to 3, 3, J hat goes to 1, 5. That was our answer that we got in that example. And then B times A, we saw it did not give us the same answer as A times B when we did the calculation. And there is 1, 5 and negative 1, 7. So B times A, I hat got sent to 1, 5. J hat got sent to negative 1, 7. So again, notice that these two answers are not the same because matrix multiplication is not commutative. So we can't switch the order we multiply matrices and expect to get the same results like we can with 2 times 4, same as 4 times 2. We can even raise matrices to powers. If they're square matrices, if they have the same numbers of rows and columns, they're considered square matrices, which means we can raise them to power. So a to the 12th power means we're going to multiply matrix A by itself 12 times. Now you can imagine that would be quite a bit of work for us to do by hand. Fortunately, computers are very, very fast at it, and it's already done. It's got the calculation before I could even blink. So some pretty large numbers here, which, again, multiplying a matrix by itself 12 times by hand would take us a lot of work, which is why we, in the real world, they don't multiply everything out by hand. Which C times D, again, it should give us an answer pretty quickly. And here are the answers that we got from our multiplication for that. So just a quick video on how computers, and especially NumPy and these types of programs, can multiply matrices very quickly for us, which in the fast-paced world that we're in only makes things better. So, all right, that about does it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.